Welcome to Bestsellers Market, the channel dedicated to bringing you the latest and greatest in top-selling products. Today, we have an exciting countdown of the best-selling plumbing products on Amazon. Whether you're a professional plumber, a DIY enthusiast, or someone looking to make simple home improvements, these products are sure to impress with their quality, innovation, and customer satisfaction. So, without any delay, let's dive right in and explore the best-selling plumbing products on Amazon. Number 5 on our list of best-selling plumbing products on Amazon is the Porta-Pak RV Marine Black Holding Tank Deodorizer Drop-Ins, perfect for campers, boaters, and anyone with a portable toilet. Imagine this. You're out enjoying the great outdoors, but there's one pesky problem that can ruin the whole experience: unpleasant odors from your toilet. That's where Porta-Pak steps in. These drop-ins are more than just a deodorizer. They are a complete waste management solution. Porta-Pak breaks down waste and stubborn RV toilet paper, ensuring your holding tank sensors stay functional and your tank remains clog-free. No more dealing with the nightmare of backups and clogs. It's a powerhouse of convenience in a tiny package. But that's not all. This product doesn't just eliminate odors, it tackles them head-on. Say goodbye to embarrassing smells wafting from your RV, boat, or camping toilet. With Porta-Pak, you can maintain an odor-free environment wherever you are. Your fellow campers will thank you. Versatility is the name of the game here. Whether your tank is 2.5 gallons or 40 gallons, Porta-Pak has got you covered. It's ideal for RVing, boating, boondocking, and those nifty portable camping cassette toilets. A one-size-fits-all solution that adapts to your needs. Ease of use? Absolutely. These drop-ins dissolve immediately upon contact with water. Just drop it in, and you're good to go. No messy spills, no fuss, no hassle. And with a non-staining color, your tanks will stay pristine and clean. And let's talk quality. has been a global leader in odor control and sanitation products since 1987. Proudly made in the USA, you can trust the reliability and effectiveness of every Porta-Pak drop-in. So, for an efficient, odor-free, and hassle-free sanitation experience on the go, look no further than Porta-Pak RV Marine Black Holding Tank Deodorizer Drop-Ins. Freshness, convenience, and reliability packed into every drop-in. Number 4, on our countdown of the best-selling plumbing products on Amazon, is the Camco Rhinoflex 20-foot Camper RV Sewer Hose Kit. This is the ultimate solution for all your RV toilet system needs, blending flexibility, durability, and convenience into one powerful package. First, let's talk about construction. The Rhinoflex sewer hose is built with 23 mils of durable polyolefin, reinforced with steel wire. This robust design ensures the hose can withstand the rigors of RV life, making it a reliable choice for any camper. You want something that can handle the tough stuff? This is it. Connections made easy. The Rhinoflex kit features swivel fittings for effortless hookups, ensuring you won't struggle with connections. The transparent elbow with a 4-in-1 adapter fits any sewer outlet, giving you a clear view to confirm everything's flowing smoothly. No more guesswork, just hassle-free operation every time. Convenience is king. This kit includes two 10-foot Rhinoflex hoses, offering a quick and easy setup. 4 sewer caps and a clear elbow connector are included, making this an essential part of your RV supplies. Ready to use right out of the box? It's designed to simplify your life on the road. When it comes to storage, the Rhinoflex kit excels. Its collapsible design and swivel fittings ensure easy assembly and disassembly. Compress it for storage in 4-inch square bumpers, perfect for practical RV users who need to maximize space. It's a space saver's dream. Versatility at its finest. The Rhinoflex RV sewer hose adapts to various RV park setups, ensuring reliable waste management wherever you go. Whether you're at a high-end RV resort or boondocking in the wilderness, this sewer kit delivers long-lasting performance and convenience. So, for an RV sewer hose that combines strength, ease of use, and smart storage, the Camco Rhinoflex 20-foot Camper RV Sewer Hose Kit stands out as a top pick. Upgrade your RV lifestyle with this essential, reliable, and versatile kit. Number 3 on our countdown of the best-selling plumbing products on Amazon is the Camco TastePURE 25-foot water hose. This isn't just any hose. It's the premium-grade solution for all your RV drinking water needs, meticulously designed to ensure safety, versatility, and durability. Camco's TastePURE water hose stands out with its commitment to health and safety. Constructed with NSF ANSI 61 certified hose material, it contains no lead, no BPA, and no phthalates. You can drink confidently, knowing that every drop of water flowing through this hose is pure and safe for your family. This quality PVC hose prioritizes your health, making it the top choice for any health-conscious RVer. Certified lead-free, this hose meets the highest standards. Camco's RV hose is CSA lead-free content, certified to NSF ANSI 372, fully complying with all federal and state lead-free laws. It ensures that you're not just getting a hose, but a promise of purity and peace of mind. Versatility is key with the TastePURE hose. Measuring 25 feet in length with a 5/8-inch inner diameter, it's perfect for a wide range of outdoor tasks, from RVing and camping to gardening, pet cleaning, car washing, and lawn care. This hose handles it all. The easy-on grip connect makes handling smooth and effortless, so you spend less time wrestling with connections and more time enjoying your activities. Durability meets convenience with the diamond hatch reinforced PVC design. This UV-stabilized hose is built for maximum kink resistance, ensuring it stays flexible and easy to use in all conditions. No more frustrating tangles or interruptions in water flow. It's a hose that works as hard as you do. Proudly made in the USA, the Camco TastePURE water hose exemplifies superior quality and reliability. Camco's dedication to practicality and excellence shines through, offering you a product that's as robust as it is reliable. This isn't just about meeting your needs, it's about exceeding your expectations. For a safe, versatile, and durable drinking water solution, the Camco TastePURE 25-foot water hose is the clear choice. Elevate your RV lifestyle with this exceptional product that puts health and convenience at the forefront. Are you enjoying the countdown of the best-selling plumbing products on Amazon? Well, don't let your enthusiasm drain away. Be sure to pipe up and like, subscribe, and press the bell icon so you never miss a flow of our latest content. Number 2, on our countdown of the best-selling plumbing products on Amazon, is the Camco TastePURE RV water filter. This is not just a water filter, it's an advanced solution that ensures you have fresh, great-tasting water wherever your adventures take you. Imagine the power of HexFlow technology and its remarkable 6-step filtration process, working tirelessly to purify every drop of water you drink. This advanced system delivers exceptionally clean and delicious water, perfect for quenching your thirst on the go. The TastePURE RV water filter sets a superior filtration standard with its combined GAC and KDF layers. These layers work in harmony to remove unpleasant tastes, odors, chlorine, sediment, and more from your water. Plus, the filter is bacteriostatic, controlling mold and bacteria growth even when not in use. It's not just a filter, it's a guardian of your health. Worried about sediment and silt? The 20-micron internal sediment filter has you covered, protecting your water supply from unwanted particles. And with its wide body design, this filter ensures a high flow rate, so you never have to wait for your water. Certified lead-free, this filter system has been independently tested and meets the highest standards. It's NSF ANSI 42 and NSF ANSI 53 listed, CSA lead-free content certified to NSF ANSI 372, and compliant with all federal and state lead-free laws. This means you can trust the purity of your water, free from harmful contaminants. Versatility is where the Camco TastePURE truly shines. Whether you're camping, boating, or at home, this filter is essential. Attach it to any standard hose for clean water for your pets, garden, and even spot-free car washing. It's not just for drinking, it's for everything. Proudly made in the USA, the Camco TastePURE RV water filter showcases superior craftsmanship. Its robust carbon core ensures reliable water filtration, giving you peace of mind as you journey. Trust in American quality, and enjoy the confidence that comes with using a product designed to meet the highest standards. For fresh, clean, and great-tasting water on the road, the Camco TastePURE RV water filter is your perfect companion. Elevate your travel experience with this indispensable travel must-have, ensuring every sip is as pure as your sense of adventure. And now, we've reached the pinnacle of our countdown. Number 1 on our list of best-selling plumbing products on Amazon is the Camco TST MAX Camper RV Toilet Treatment Drop-ins. This product is a game-changer for RV enthusiasts, offering unparalleled odor control and waste breakdown. Imagine a world where your RV trips are free from unpleasant odors. With Camco TST MAX, this is your reality. These toilet deodorizers use reactive odor-eliminating technology to stop black tank odors for up to 7 days. Just one drop-in treats a 40-gallon tank, making it incredibly efficient and effective. But it's not just about eliminating odors. The superior formulation of TST MAX ensures unmatched performance. This advanced chemistry is safe for septic systems, giving you peace of mind while providing exceptional results. It's a powerful RV black tank treatment that doesn't just mask odors, it eradicates them. Clogs and odors are a thing of the past. TST MAX breaks down waste and RV toilet paper, aiding in waste digestion for optimal sensor performance. Your sensors will work better, and your tank will stay cleaner, longer. It's a powerful solution in a tiny package. Versatility is key. Whether you're boating, full-time or occasional camping, boondocking or using portable camping toilets, TST MAX is a must-have accessory. It's designed to meet the demands of any situation, ensuring you stay fresh and odor-free no matter where your adventures take you. Proudly made in the USA, Camco's TST RV toilet chemicals are trusted by RVers and boaters alike. The quality and reliability of these treatments are second to none, showcasing superior craftsmanship and dedication to excellence. And let's not forget the refreshing scent. Enjoy a pleasant, long-lasting citrus aroma as you travel, making your RV experience more enjoyable. Each bucket includes 30 drop-ins, ensuring you have plenty to last your journey. For the ultimate in RV toilet treatment, the Camco TST MAX Camper RV Toilet Treatment Drop-ins are your number 1 choice. Experience the power, convenience, and reliability that make this product the top seller in its category. Elevate your RV lifestyle with the best in the business. We hope you enjoyed the countdown of the best-selling plumbing products on Amazon. To keep up with all the top sellers, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Check the pinned comment for links to all the products featured today. Until next time, thank you, and see you soon.